Our tried-and-true press technology has been proven in years of clinical experience, helping to create excellent fit, function, and aesthetics in permanent restorations. A handmade wax-up is the base for the final restoration. The pure craftsmanship allows full flexibility and customized restorations. Our PrograPrint PR5 is designed for high-precision 3D dental printing and integrated in our workflow. It's easy to use and efficient, capable of printing multiple wax models with individual details in one print job. The IPS e.max Shade Navigation app helps select the correct shade and translucency level for the restoration in 5 easy steps. This makes ingot selection quicker. For flexible, efficient, precise and outstanding press results, our IPS Press Vest Premium delivers. It can be used in speed heating procedures as well as conventional heating methods. The minimal reaction layer is easy to remove and results in a smooth and homogeneous surface. IPS e.max Press is the original lithium disilicate glass ceramic ingot for the final restoration. The comprehensive range offers tremendous flexibility and versatility for the efficient fabrication of high-strength restorations with true-to-nature aesthetics. No other product in the market offers a minimally invasive crown layer thickness of at least 1 mm when adhesively cemented. The new PrograMat EP5010 G2 is a reliable partner for smart, safe pressing. The new design and user interface make operation much easier. The fully automatic press function FPF can increase the process reliability for IPS e.max press restorations. Infrared technology contributes to high-quality results that are up to 20% faster than with regular furnaces. A natural veneering ceramic, IPS e.max Ceram offers impressive aesthetics and is suitable for standard layering and sophisticated high-end layering. Its modeling properties make handling easy and efficient. The PrograMat P710 G2 is the premium furnace of the PrograMat family with its innovative technique, exclusive design, and new smart reporting service that streamlines maintenance. It delivers high firing quality with reproducible results. For characterization and glazing of IPS e.max press restorations, IPS Ivoclar offers a solution for any technique. Easy handling enables lifelike restorations. The interface in the new PrograMat P710 G2 makes operation easier than ever. Innovative infrared technology helps create reproducible firing results in high quality. Monobond Etch and Prime establishes the bond between the ceramic and the luting composite. Variolink Aesthetic is a light and dual curing composite for permanent cementation. It offers exceptional aesthetics in a user-friendly process. Exceptional aesthetics and high-quality restorations bring real joy to patients. Applying Servitec Plus protects the finished restoration and controls the risk from germs. This reliable workflow adds value to the lab with efficient production processes and is future-proof. If you're interested in finding out more about this system, please visit our product pages for more detailed information.